We stand on lane when Kareem comes to Charlotte. Dirty Red TV in the city. He know Dirty Red TV in the city.
Yeah, because it's Charlotte.
He do. He done fell out.
Yeah, he fell out. Look. Yeah,
Put on his A hat.
we might be blood. It might be an A, but we from the west side. Yeah. Crown.
Dirty Red TV.
Dirty Red TV. Look at him. Look at him. Beer.
Gone.
Yeah, we drink beer. Yeah, we drinking beer after hours. It's Christmas Eve. Kids gonna wake up.
Christmas, nigga. It's Christmas. It's 5 o'clock in the morning. It's Christmas morning.
5 o'clock in the morning. What we gonna be? Not on the corner. No, we gonna be not outside on the corner because we're old now. You know what I'm saying?
And we're large. The Dirty Red TV. We need that real butter.
We'll never see it again, so we'll probably have to take the picture.
Pussy.
You know what I'm saying?
Nigga, you hate it.
I got a cricket phone, fold out, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, that's why you would never see it again.
You damn right.
Cause you did. You need to upgrade, nigga.
Yeah, upgrade.
You say you don't like smartphone, your phone dumb.
Yeah, my phone dumb, man.
You got a dumb phone. Tell them what you got though.
My phone got a GED.
Leo. Come here, Leo.
My phone got a GED. Oh, we gonna wait. Well, my phone got a GED.
Come here, boy.
My phone got. I'm gonna make that a rap song.
Leo. Look at Leo. It's Christmas. He been eating big turkey. I think this nigga fool too. And he fight.
That's a motherfucking tiger.
And he fight.
Look, see what I'm saying? Cream.